This week on AtlantiCast, let us help you faster than ever at the new AtlanticHealth.org. A pair of groundbreaking studies from two of Atlantic Health System's expert physicians. The robotic rockets land at Overlook Medical Center, and much more. Hello, I'm Luke Margolis. Welcome back to AtlantiCast. We begin our show with a pair of industry-leading studies that shed some important light on two conditions affecting millions of Americans. First, Dr. Seth Uretsky, the Medical Director of Cardiovascular Imaging and the Associate Director of the Cardiovascular Fellowship Program at Atlantic Health System, recently presented the results of a study into using a certain type of imaging that gives doctors a better look at something called mitral regurgitation. It's a form of heart disease where blood flows backwards into the heart and can cause shortness of breath, fatigue, lightheadedness, and a fluttering heartbeat. In some cases, surgery may be required. Dr. Uretsky says the new imaging, called CMR, has become the gold standard. Atlantic Health System's Gagnon Cardiovascular Institute offers patients the most advanced imaging technology. Also making news, Dr. Eric Whitman, the Medical Director for Atlantic Health System Cancer Care, who recently addressed the crowd at the International Symposium on Melanoma and Other Cutaneous Malignancies. Dr. Whitman laid out the promising findings of a phase 3 study into an immunotherapy treatment for melanoma, saying in part, "What we're really trying to do with this drug is teach your immune system to do what it failed to do, recognize and kill the melanoma. There is an obvious survival benefit. You can't underestimate this." To read more about these studies, go to AtlanticHealth.org. And there you can also find news that only two hospitals in New Jersey made the Health Grades America's list of the 50 and 100 best hospitals in America. And they're both part of Atlantic Health System. Those two are Morristown Medical Center and Overlook Medical Center. Morristown made the list of the 50 best for the third year in a row, while Overlook was named to the 100 best for the second consecutive year. This recognition means when it comes to clinical outcomes, Morristown and Overlook ranked in the top 2% of hospitals nationwide. Students in Plainsboro got a look at the future of healthcare thanks to Overlook Medical Center's Dr. Jeff Leary. Dr. Leary, an orthopedic surgeon, demonstrated the Mako robotic surgical system to the Robotic Rockettes, an all-girl robotics team. The team is participating in a tech challenge for students, and part of that challenge required them to speak with a professional who uses robots. Dr. Leary uses the Mako system to perform partial knee replacements. The team got to see a demonstration and even got to try the robot out on fake bones. All of Atlantic Health System's maternity centers are designated Baby Friendly USA by the Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative. The group is sponsored by the World Health Organization. Last month, Chilton Medical Center became just the 11th hospital in the state to receive the certification, which recognizes the effort to help mothers bond and breastfeed with their babies and provide team members with the tools and resources they need to support new moms. Congratulations to Chilton on the recognition for all of their great work. The recent Heart and Soul celebration at Newton Medical Center had plenty of both on full display. The 5th annual event, held in honor of first responders, also raises money to make sure everyone in the community has access to important life-saving technology. Technology like AEDs that can cost thousands of dollars. The AED program at Newton Medical Center has provided hundreds of the machines to first responders and other organizations throughout Sussex County since it started in the year 2000. Organizers say they've been used to save 52 lives. To see an example of one of those lives, please visit AtlantiCast.org. The Foundation for Hackettstown Medical Center recently partnered with a local retirement community to raise money and awareness for the fight against cancer. The Dove Tree, made by woodworkers at the Heath Village Retirement Community in Washington Township, holds small dove ornaments that people can buy in honor of or memory of a loved one affected by cancer. The tree, which is on the wall at the Joan Neckel Cancer Center at Hackettstown Medical Center, will soon be home to the silver doves purchased as part of last year's fundraiser to benefit the Cancer Center. We'd like to send a big AtlantiCast congratulations to Nikki Sumpter, Senior Vice President and Chief Human Resources Officer at Atlantic Health System, for being honored with Fortune Magazine's Great Place to Work for All Leadership Award. Nikki received the award this month at a ceremony in San Francisco alongside women leaders from companies including Wegmans and American Express. Congrats to Nikki for this award and for making Atlantic Health System a great place to work for all of us. But enough about what we're up to at Atlantic Health System. We want to hear from you, or more accurately, the kids in your life, about what they're doing to build healthier communities. Atlantic Health System is excited to announce the first AtlantiCast Collab Challenge. We're inviting kids from across New Jersey to show us what they're doing at school, at home, or in their communities to help others live healthier lives. Have them get a couple of friends together, break out their smartphones, and send us a short collab video about what they're up to. You can send us all of their favorite health hacks. We'll pick the best ones and show some highlights here on AtlantiCast. For more details, visit AtlantiCast.org, or you can email us at AtlantiCast@AtlanticHealth.org. As we head to break, here's a brand new way to take advantage of Atlantic Health System's award-winning care at the new AtlanticHealth.org. The new website features state-of-the-art search functionality to find exactly what you're looking for. The Find a Doctor online directory puts our world-class physicians at your fingertips. And using the site is easier than ever thanks to finger-friendly technology, integrated Google Maps, and videos like AtlantiCast, available no matter what device you're using. Check it out today at AtlanticHealth.org. We'll be right back. With the AtlantiCast Medical Minute, I'm Luke Margolis. Approximately 30 million people in the United States have diabetes. That's almost 10% of the entire population, and it's a number that's on the rise. So, how do you know if you're at risk? Dr. Elsa Thomas is affiliated with Morristown Medical Center. And doctor, how do folks find out if they're at risk of diabetes, and why is it so important to know early?
Well, Luke, it's just a simple blood test that your primary care physician can order. By early detection, you can avoid the complications of heart attack, stroke, blindness, kidney failure, and even amputation.
Doctor, tell us a little bit about why you chose to practice with Atlantic Health System.
As a primary care physician, it's very important that I have a strong network of specialists, and I have that with the Atlantic Health System.
Thank you, doctor. To learn a little bit more about Morristown Medical Center or Atlantic Health System, you can go to AtlantiCast.org. With the AtlantiCast Medical Minute, I'm Luke Margolis. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.